Hello, in this video we're going to check how to use the sum formula in Google Sheets. The sum formula helps us to gather the specified values within a range or in cells. All you have to do is write the sum formula, choose the range that you would like to sum. Once you hit the enter, you will be able to see the result. You can also use the sum formula by clicking on the cells that you need and then put the other cell numbers, and then it is going to sum up the chosen cells. When you look at the formula's explanation, it will ask you to enter the values. Once you enter your value, all you have to do is add another value and separate it with a comma. You can also manually sum up your values, such as in this form. I hope this video was informative enough. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe. Thanks for watching.